Still relying on POTS landlines? And yes, that stands for plain old telephone service, which honestly tells you most of what you need right there. This is Quick Connect, where legacy tech meets modern reality. Businesses are replacing POTS lines because the old copper-based landline phone network is becoming harder for carriers to support, more expensive to maintain, and a lot less practical for how companies operate today. For years, POTS lines powered alarms, fax machines, elevators, point-of-sale systems, and backup phones. But now, providers are shutting down those legacy networks, which means rising costs, shrinking support, and fewer good long-term options. Modern replacements use internet-based or wireless solutions to support many of the same critical functions, often with more flexibility, lower prices and costs, and easier management across multiple sites. And that matters, especially for businesses with branch locations, compliance requirements, or older infrastructure they can't afford to leave exposed. Replacing POTS isn't about chasing trends. It's about avoiding risk, controlling costs, and staying ahead of problems before they become emergency projects. So if your business still depends on aging copper lines, now's a smart time to start planning the next move. We'll gladly show you what POTS replacement looks like, real quick.